Hi, Twitch. Welcome back. My name is Memo Doring, and I'm a senior evangelist on the developer relations team at AWS. And I'm here with Andy, but I'll let you introduce yourself.
Hey, everybody. My name is Andy Troutman. I'm a director here in AWS. I work on our continuous delivery tools, so the code suite that we call it, so code deploy, code pipeline, code commit. I also own all of the developer tools we use inside of Amazon to do the same thing, so help engineers go from an idea on their desktop to something that they're running in production.
Awesome. And the main reason we have Andy here is because you're a technical expert, world-class level, to talk about some of the things you're really passionate about, because customers continuously ask us about that. How do you do X or Y internally in Amazon? People are interested about our culture, our leadership principles, and we just announced something today during Werner's keynote that addresses that. So we'd love to hear a little bit more about that.
Yeah, absolutely. You're absolutely right. I get to spend a lot of my day talking to customers, and by far the most asked for topic is sort of how does Amazon do things? What is our approach to solving technical problems as well as sort of organizational problems? How do we think about different processes? And so I spend a lot of our time answering those questions again and again, and I was really excited that we decided to start publishing this stuff for customers. So, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and the way we're publishing it is through the Amazon Builders Library. And this is an ongoing, ever-growing library of content that is written by people like Andy that are world-class experts that work for Amazon and AWS, covering certain different topics, a wide range of technical topics. It's the type of content that we would say is 400 level. Many times you don't have access to that. Jeff Barr said it the other day, which was, they don't teach this at school and you can't buy it. So it's an incredibly valuable resource that we're really happy to bring to everybody. So do you have anything, I know CI/CD is a big area for you. Is there anything else that you're really passionate about that you're looking forward to sharing?
Yeah, there's a ton of content in there, and we are trying to hit it at different levels, right? So, I think Colin's going to come on later today and talk about some of the approaches we have for throttling and retries. This is absolutely something that you're not going to get in school. It's something that we've learned over a decade of trying and improving and iterating. If you want to go extremely deep in a topic like that, you can read 20 pages on it, right? Which is pretty exciting. You can take your time and learn it, really understand it. As you said, my area of focus is on continuous delivery. We think that's just a differentiator for Amazon, and it can be for other people as well. The ability for an engineer to just check in code on their desktop and have it completely automated all the way till it's serving customers in production, right? And when we built that internal to the company, we saw drastic reductions in the time to get solutions out the door and in customer hands, right? We went from months to weeks, which is like a huge advantage for everybody. And so yeah, you'll find content in there. You can kind of follow along with our journey, how we went from not doing CD, our approach to evangelizing it and getting it into our culture. The hardest part with a lot of this is just convincing people it's a good idea. So you can kind of hear our story and how we approach that.
Yeah, and that's, I think, the biggest differentiator for this library is it's not just the concepts or the theory behind it. It's like how we actually did it, how we got there. And as we like to say, there's no compression algorithm for experience. So you're getting some of our experience distilled into those posts. So it's a really, really good resource, brand new, announced today. Thank you so much, Andy, for sharing your time with us. And I'll let you say bye to the folks on Twitch.
Goodbye, Twitch. Have a good time.